If you're a science student who will be writing JAMB in 2026 and yet you still have issues with chemistry calculation, then you want to watch this video to the end. Now, let me be honest, JAMB chemistry calculation is one of the toughest aspects in chemistry that large majority of students have issues with. Nobody can deny that fact. But over the years, I'll be able to crack the secret code. I have written books when it comes to what chemistry calculation. I have helped thousands of students to excel when it comes to chemistry calculation. I know exactly the pain points students have. Just so in this video here, if you can stick to the end of this video, I'm going to help you cover this calculation. There are about 11 to 10. There are about 11 to 12 of them. I'm going to show you how you are going to cover these 11 topics in 10 days. Now, within 10 days, you have to cover the entire calculation aspects. Now, it's not just covering it here. I will also show you how you can master them and are able to solve questions. One is to know, one is to be able to solve questions, and one is to be able to solve the question under the exam condition, because JAMB, the time allocated for each question is 40 seconds. So if you can do everything I'm going to share with you, then within 40 seconds you'll be able to trash any chemistry calculation. And I want to give you the secrets. Just my name is Chris, the CEO and founder of Chris Academic Resources. Chris Academic Resources is a well-registered educational company that deals with helping science students to become better. And over the last 10 years, we have helped thousands of students, both online and offline, to excel when it comes to the field of science. Just so what I'm giving here is what I've actually worked. Just the main reason I'm bringing it out now, because I've tested on it and it's working. So it's going to be one of the best online courses you can ever take. I can guarantee you within 10 days, mark my word, within 10 days, you have to cover the entire calculation aspect of chemistry. Solve past question. After solving past question, do CBT test. Just and everything are ready for you. Let's get down to business. So now let's move to the first one. Please pay close attention here. If you have your pen, you can write this one here. No. So the first one is called, the first calculation you encounter is called molar mass and percentage composition. Yes, molar mass and percentage composition. This is the first calculation you will ever encounter. The second one is called the mole concepts, like empirical and molecular formula. You must know how to solve mole concept question and empirical and molecular formula question. Now, this is also the calculation aspect JAMB like asking every single time. Just the next one is stoichiometry and writing chemical formula. Stoichiometry and writing chemical formula. You can see this here. If you can see on your screen, I will just be showing here. You can see day one is what molar mass and percentage composition. Day two, mole concept and empirical molecular formula calculation. Then day three is what stoichiometry and writing chemical formula. This is where large majority of students actually have issues with. I can tell you that one of the issues with students is stoichiometry. Like when you have a chemical reaction, they say if 2.5 grams of this compound you react with this one here, what is the limiting reactant of a product? Just large majority of students have issues with this. You have to cover it very well. And write chemical formula. You must know how to write chemical formula as a student. Now the next one is gas laws and kinetic theory of gases. You know that gas laws and kinetic theory of gases have many laws. We have the Boyle's law, the Sharp's law, the Avogadro's law, the Galuza's law, the mole fraction, and the rest. Just Grant's law of diffusion. Now you must cover every single thing under this one here. Just the fourth one. Then the fifth one is called atomic structure and quantum number. Very important. So here you learn what the structure of the atom, right? You have to learn calculation of relative atomic mass of an element with various isotopes, and also relative abundance of isotope. Just they want to learn quantum number and writing electronic configuration. As a matter of fact, this topic here you are seeing here is very, very important. It's very, very important. You cannot escape it. It's very bright. It's very, very broad. Then here we have chemical equilibrium and chemical kinetics. I put two of them together: chemical equilibrium and chemical kinetics. Here I want to learn what's called the Schiller's principle. The Schiller's principle is one aspect JAMB like asking. Just the effect of concentration in a chemical reaction or chemical equilibrium, the effect of temperature and the effect of pressure and volume. These are things you need to understand very well, on which which is well explained. Then kinetic theory. You also need to understand that. The next is called solubility concentration. Solubility what concentration? Solubility concentration is one thing that you must understand very well. Student normally have issues with it. So there are various classes available there. That is what day 7. Then the 8 is called acid and base and pH calculation. Acid and base and pH calculation, very important. Then 9 is saturation calculation. Then 10 is what? Electrolysis and redox reaction. Now, let me tell you the truth here. Now, all these things you are seeing here, they are being condensed into days. So within 10 days, you'll be able to complete. So within 10 days, you'll be able to complete every single thing. Just and so that is the topics that JAMB like asking every single time in JAMB. So now let's look. Let me show you how the class is being structured. Now, the structure of the class is very, very easy. As a matter of fact, all the videos. Now, the structure of the class is this: we have videos, we have tutorial videos. Now, that is where structure. We have tutorial videos. Number 1, we have PDF. Now, for each, probably you are learning the first day. Now, you're learning what the first day, which is what is molar mass and percentage composition. Now, the truth is that we have PDF question. The PDF question contains all the questions, the exam style questions under that topics. So once you finish watching the video, what we do is to go to the PDF and solve those questions. And the good part here is that after solving those questions, the answers will not be there. But after you finish solving those questions here, you can now go to the solution to the PDF. There's another solution to that PDF there that contains all the solution to that question. So in the sense that you have a video, number 1, you have a question bank on that topics. Number 2, you also have the solution. And here's the great part here. We also have quiz tests on that single topic. So if for a day you can just channel your attention to this aspect here, finish the video, solve all the questions, look at the solutions, see where you are wrong, then take the CBT app, take the CBT test, do everything, you'll be very, very perfect. And this is how this class is being structured well for you. So any discipline student or any student who is so eager to actually cover the entire JAMB syllabus, in 10 days you cover it. I'm not talking about those students that are not serious. I'm talking about serious students now who really know what they want. And I can tell you that if you don't master this calculation aspect, you are not going anywhere in chemistry, because chemistry have 3 parts. We have the organic aspect, we have the inorganic aspect, and we have the calculational aspect. The calculation aspect is about 40%. It's about 40%. So these are the class structure look like. So you don't have anything to worry. You're not going to watch random videos. You're not going to look for past questions. Everything has been done for you. Now, let me show you how you can start joining this class. As a serious student, how do you have access to this class? It's very easy. Now, the price of this course is 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. Now, those students I take privately about 10,000 naira every single month. All these ones are also included. Now, the course itself for this chemistry calculation course that contains every single thing, videos and the rest, is 10,000 naira. But here, I will be giving 20 students an exclusive price of 5,000. The first 20 students that will be watching this video and will take action, you only get for 5,000. Now, this is what somebody have paid 10,000 for and 11,000 for, but I'll be giving to you for 5,000. Now, here's the thing here. You will take the course for straight 10 days. Number 1, after taking the course, and doing everything, you write a review about this course. Now, the best review. Now, this is why you want to make a review here. Now, you are going to write a review like normal review. I want to make a video review showing your face that you have taken the course. Now, after you have sent the review, now the best 3 reviews. Number 1, this is what they will get for free. Now, I will unlock the JAMB chemistry organic course for them. In 5 days, you have to cover the organic chemistry course. Now, I'm going to unlock that for you. Now, that one is 10,000, but it's going to unlock for you for free. Just now after that, you win the sum of 15,000 naira. The best review, you win the sum of 15,000. Do you understand? So these are ways you can actually qualify. Do you understand? So now, if you are among the first 20 persons to buy the course, that's where you qualify for all this. Normally, the first 20 persons, they're paying 5,000 naira only, 5,000 naira only instead of 10,000. Now, once you complete the course and do a review, write a review about the course and do a video about the course, and I see that the review really makes sense and is genuinely, then what you do, I would unlock the organic chemistry course for you for free. Organic chemistry course that cover the entire organic chemistry. Just not only that, the best review we get 15,000 naira. So just imagine you paid for a course of 5,000 naira and you gave a review, and that review qualified to be the best review. You not only get the organic chemistry, you win 15,000 naira. Do you understand? So if you are interested to join, send me a message now. Send me a message on WhatsApp. You pay through WhatsApp. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Once you make your payment, you'll be added instantly. Now I'm going to track your progress. I'm going to track how you understand. And the good thing is that once you make your payments, you now have access to me to be your personal mentor from now to your exam. Do you understand? I'm going to be of massive help to you. If this video is helpful, please kindly share this video. Kindly share this video if this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.